Let me ask you this question. What would you do with the extra $2,000 a month? Now, I want you to put your response in the comment section, because in this video today, I'm going to show you a side hustle where you can make over $2,000 a month. And the great part with this side hustle, you're not going to have to work for it. You will not need to own real estate. You will not need to use your credit, and you can get started today. So we're going to jump into this information in this video. Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. And if you're new to my channel is dedicated to helping you no matter where you are in your credit journey. And in 2023, we're going to show you how to leverage your credit to gain assets. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also hit your notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. Also, I give you a free hard inquiry removal package at my website that you can download for free. And I have other removal packages for purchase, and you can check those out at my website. I leave the link in the pinned comment section of every video and in the description of the video. So I want to get into this information on how you can make over $2,000 a month with this simple side hustle that you may never have heard of before in real estate. So with this side hustle, it will not require you to own real estate or to use your credit in order to do so. If you're not aware, there is a market just like Airbnb, but a market to help house nurses. And these nurses are primarily going to be traveling nurses. So with traveling nurses, they get paid extra when they travel because they get an extra stipend for their housing. So many of these nurses already have either a home or an apartment elsewhere, and their stay in the area that they're working are going to be generally from 30 to 90 days, maybe even 6 months. They are primarily going to be women that want to stay in a safe environment. So you can actually host one of these nurses. These are going to be professionals, especially if you have an extra room. They want something that's furnished so they don't have to sign a long-term leasing contract, and they want to be able to have amenities but cheaper than a hotel room. So with that stipend, they want to be able to retain some of that extra money, and they want to be hosted a lot of times in someone's home just to rent a room for that short stay. Now, this market in the industry is called Midterm Rentals. So like Airbnb, you're able to host even in your own apartment. But the great part, unlike Airbnb, you don't have a high turnover. You don't have to do a lot of cleaning, and you can use a website to locate these nurses and also vet them out by doing background checks. And the great part, you don't have to do this all year, and they're going to pay a higher rate to rent than a normal Airbnb host or even a apartment, a regular roommate. With this, they want something that's furnished so you can charge them more. But for them, they'll be saving the money of a stipend that they would receive from their contract for their housing. So this can be a win-win situation, especially if you have a spare room, and even more if you have 2 or 3 spare rooms, you can really make this a lucrative situation for yourself. And you have more control. You don't have to do it all year. And you have someone who's a professional who won't be there all the time because they'll constantly be working. So there is a website where you can locate and list your room today if you want to be a host. So let's jump into this website. Now, this website is called Furnish Finder, and it is the #1 website for traveling nurses to find a midterm rental. Now, what's great about this website, it also helps you if you're trying to list your property so you can know the market and the demand and prices for a midterm rental in your area. Now, a lot of states and even municipalities are cracking down on Airbnbs, but with a midterm rental, you can bypass a lot of those requirements. Let's search in the New Brunswick, New Jersey area, and let's see the average midterm rental prices that's going on in that area. Now, a great part of these furnished midterm rentals, you can rent at a much higher price than a normal apartment, like 15% to 20% more. So you can see here, a 2-bedroom apartment is going for $2,700 a month. Then you have a 1-bedroom apartment going for $2,975 a month, and a room for rent for $1,400 a month in someone's home. So if you have room in your apartment, extra rooms, you can make a significant amount of money if you could rent out multiple rooms. And this website allows you to search if you're interested in renting out your room or multiple rooms. You can search out what rooms are going for rent in your area. We have here one for $1,800 a month. And so you have some really high numbers. One here is for $2,000 a month. So if you have a home with extra space, you can rent out multiple rooms without actually purchasing real estate and make a significant amount of income. And they even have a map here where you can see that there's not a lot available in this area. So you won't even have a lot of competition. The website also gives you this free resource where you can check how many traveling nurses are looking for places to stay in your area. And you can use this now to see if this is a great market for you to rent out your room if you're interested, and what should be the price point that you're looking for. So it will give you the breakdown on the total rentals and room rentals and what is the price point in your competition. So if you want to check out this website, I will leave the link in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. If you guys have questions, just leave it in the comment section. But if you have more detailed questions, you can reach me at my website, and all your questions go directly to my cell phone. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.